Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to combine multiple shapes into one vector mask. Create a new document in Photoshop. Use the sharp tool to draw different forms. Then draw rectangles, circles and triangles together. Select all shapes while holding shift. Then right click and choose merge shapes. Now click add vector mask on this layer. You will see all shapes blend under one mask. This allows perfect geometric control and design. Edit each point using the direct selection tool, then remove or reshape any area smoothly. Now add a gradient or pattern fill for depth, then combine this with